Should you press seams to the dark side? Or press seams open? Dark side or open? Pressing to the dark side is the traditional method and provides structural integrity to your quilt. However, it is not always possible and can result in bulky seams, which may be difficult to sew over. While seams pressed open lay flatter and may help with increased accuracy, they are especially helpful in blocks with many converging seams. But a seam that is pressed open is weaker. If pressing seams open, use a stronger thread, such as a 40-weight cotton thread. Reducing your stitch length can help strengthen the seam too. If you're not sure which way to press, try both ways and see which one works best for your project. At the end of the day, there is no right or wrong way, only the way that works best for you.